The rock cycle, the planet's eternal and most fundamental recycling program, narrates the epic journey of Earth's materials through vast stretches of time, a story that transforms fiery molten magma into the very sand nestled between your toes on a sun-drenched beach. This continuous loop, powered by the Earth's internal engine and the sun's atmospheric influence, begins deep within the crust or mantle, where immense heat generates molten rock called magma. When this magma cools and solidifies either slowly underground to form coarse-grained igneous rocks like granite or rapidly on the surface as extrusive rocks like basalt. The first chapter of the rock's life is written. Yet upon exposure to the elements, this seemingly permanent igneous formation immediately becomes subject to the relentless forces of weathering and erosion, where wind, rain, ice, and biological activity relentlessly break it down into smaller fragments and sediments, which are then transported by rivers, glaciers, and wind to be deposited in layers and basins like deltas, lakes, and ocean floors. Over millennia, the immense weight of overlying material compacts these sediments in mineral-laden water, cements them together in a process called lithification, transforming loose accumulations of sand, silt, and clay into solid sedimentary rocks like sandstone and shale. However, if these sedimentary rocks, or any existing igneous rocks, are subsequently buried even deeper by tectonic forces, they encounter a crucible of intense heat and pressure that fundamentally alters their mineralogy and texture without melting them, morphing them into metamorphic rocks, such as the banded gneiss or the foliated slate. The cycle finds its ultimate conclusion when these metamorphic rocks, or any other type, are subducted so deep into the earth that they finally melt back into magma, ready to cool once more as a new igneous rock, or are uplifted tectonically to be exposed once again to the surface, ensuring the process of breakdown and rebirth continues unabated. Therefore, every grain of beach sand, every smooth river stone, and every towering mountain cliff is merely a temporary snapshot in this grand billion-year-old dance of destruction and creation, a tangible piece of a story that is forever being written and rewritten by the powerful, immutable forces of our dynamic planet. If you found this deep dive into geology fascinating, be sure to like this explanation and subscribe for more content that unravels the incredible science of the world around us.